Welcome to How Fun Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. Did you know the Silver Dollar City offers tasting passports that you can purchase for food items? These special cards allow you to redeem them all around the park, letting you try 5 different limited time food items. These are fun ways for you to try different foods around the park, but there are a few things that you need to know about first. These cost $36 and they are valid for the entire festival in which you purchased it. You'll receive the card and a lanyard so you can wear it around your neck to keep up with it. As you wander around the park, many of the food vendors have menus showing you which item or items are available to use. Instead of paying for the item with a debit or credit card or cash, you simply scan the QR code on the card and you're done. The computer keeps track of how many times you use your card. We always try to get items that are generally more expensive with our passport, meaning we use it for barbecue instead of a bag of kettle corn. This way we're getting more bang for our buck. Each tasting passport is good only during the festival in which it was purchased. Once that festival has ended, your passport expires. Let's say you're going to the Spring Exposition, which is a 4-week festival. You buy a tasting passport. You use it for 3 of the 5 items, then come back another day during Spring Exposition. You still can use it for 2 more food items. But if you bring it back after Spring Exposition has ended, it will not work and you will have forfeited those 2 remaining items. The tasting passports can be good for 2 or more people to take advantage of, or if you plan on returning another time during the festival in which it was purchased. But if you are just one person who is only planning on visiting for a single day, I would not purchase one. I would just buy the food outright as I needed it. These can be a good purchase as long as you pay attention of how you use it. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. Before you head out, a quick like on this video would be awesome if you found it helpful. It helps me more than you might think. Now what about a Silver Dollar City Trailblazer Ride Pass? This could be a way to save you some time and you can jump right on the rides without having to wait in line. This is what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching and tell your friends.